Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me 𝘎𝙤𝙪𝙗𝙚. Today I am going to talk about the history of Alauddin in front of you people. Who was Alauddin? Whose the full name was Alauddin Ali. He was the second son of Osman Ghazi, the founder of Ottoman Empire. He born on 1281 of Sogod. The name of his mother was Bala Khatun. Alauddin was the first member of Ottoman family for whom the title of Pasha was used. Alauddin was a scholar person. He had no interest in wars. Alauddin was the first minister of Ottoman Empire. She took many steps to reconstruction for Ottoman Empire. Alauddin died in Bursa on 1333.